Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you my favorite combo today. It's called the Snapback. A couple of prerequisites for this I would really highly encourage you to check out is going to be the horizontal figure 8 color switch as well as the horizontal figure 8 crossbody toss. This is a combination of both of those and it just brings, I feel like it's such a great move and it will just take you to the next level. So just to demonstrate what the snapback will be looking like, a lot of the color switching is actually going to be happening behind you while you're turning. So I'm going to face away from you. All right, so with the snapback, we're going to be doing the color switching behind our bodies. So once we give the toss, we're going to turn around in front of us and catch it to do the color switch on the opposite side. So this is what it looks like. So that's how you do the snapback. This has been my favorite move and I feel like it's actually really helpful in moments where you need some recovery. Just because like sometimes the star can get away from you and if you can get there in time, you can always get that catch to slow it down and do that like toss. So I hope this tutorial helps you in your flow. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the snapback trick. I'm Arianne and like and subscribe if you want to see some more. Thank y'all for watching.